Hello everyone and welcome to This Is Sarah Lifestyle. So we are in part 2 of the Valentine's Day cooking series and we are doing a dessert.
Yes, so today we're doing mini cakes and they're gluten-free and dairy-free. So let's get into it.
Yeah, let's get it. Alright, so we're going to start making the cake mix.
Yes.
Okay.
So we'll start with putting all the liquids inside here and then mixing the cake batter.
Yes, we'll whisk it away. Okay, so we're going to start with 3 eggs into this bowl. And then we're going to move on to 1/3 cup of oil. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And last, 1/3 cup of water. So what we're using is Simple Mills almond flour cake mix. And as you pour, I'm going to whip it up. Whip it real good. There we are. Pour, baby, pour. Pour, baby, pour. Okay, so we're going to put butter on the pan and grease it up.
Yep.
And these are 3 9-inch pans for each layer of the cake.
Okay, let's do it.
Also use your hands. Get the corners, get the edges, so when you flip the cake, it can just slide out with ease. So we're putting 3/4 cups of cake mix into each 9-inch pan. Get every last bit. There we have it. So I set the oven for 325 degrees and the cake batter is going to stay there for 30 minutes. Okay, so the cake is done. We're going to take it out and let it cool for 10 minutes. Perfecto.
Alright guys, so this has been cooling for about 10 minutes. And so what we're going to do is loosen up the sides. And then we're going to flip it and place it on this cooling rack for a little more so it can cool further. Okay, so just ever so gently squeegee the sides. Oh, look at that, it's moving slightly. Just make sure you get each side. You see that? All right, each side is loosened up. So now we're just going to flip it and tap it so we can just plop on here, okay? Just flip it. Give it a sharp tap. And there we go.
That's beautiful. It's really good.
And let's repeat.
So we have this hazelnut spread with cocoa.
And we also have this vanilla organic frosting with coconut oil. So this is whole ingredients. It says nothing artificial, and it's all vegan based, which is exciting.
And this is gluten-free. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is mix a little bit of this with this frosting, and that's gonna be the in-between frosting or cake mix frosting, right?
In between the layers, the cake.
In between the layers of the cake.
There we go.
Why I'm making it so complicated. So that's what we're gonna do.
All right, so I'll scoop this in. Oh, it's nice and thick. Well, let's go to link to what this is.
It's fluffy too. I love it.
It's nice and fluffy. Okay. So the inside has Nutella, and then for the outside,
yes,
I didn't mention we have a separate bowl here because the outside is going to be just colored.
A little bit of a light pink.
So we're doing a little red dye.
And this is plant-based coloring, so I'm so excited about that when I saw that at Whole Foods.
Yes.
I was like, yeah.
Okay.
All right, so I'm putting a little bit of the hazelnut spread with cocoa inside of the cake mix.
It's about how much? Like a tablespoon? Or?
I would say a tablespoon. And what we're gonna do is mix it all up. Like so. So this can be the in-between of each layer of cake. Look at that color, I love it.
Yummy.
And you can make any flavor you want. But we're using this because we love this hazelnut spread. It's so yummy.
That looks amazing.
And we're about done. There you go. So this is going to be frosting on the outside of the mini cake, and what we have right here is red plant-based coloring. So I'm just going to do a little drop because we're going for like a baby pink color. And I don't really know how strong this is, so we'll see. And I'm going to start mixing. So we'll just keep putting little drops as we go, as we mix, to see if it gets darker until we get the desired shade. And you can put more red if you want, but I'm going for a baby pink color, a light pink. Oh, look at that, that was just enough. Did you see that? What do you think? Do you think I should put some more in?
I think it looks great.
Wow, look at that. That's the color that we wanted. All right, so we have everything set up to layer the cake with each frosting, and then at the last touch to cover the cake with the pink frosting.
Yes.
And this is the cutter.
So we're going to include a link down below for this.
And this is 2 inches.
All right.
Okay.
Okay guys, now it's time for the layering. So this is going to be a 3-layer cake, and on the inside is the hazelnut spread mixed vanilla frosting that we did.
Yes, it's gonna take so good. So let's begin.
All right, so let's grab our layerers.
And then we'll do some.
Sharing is caring.
So let's flip this over.
That's cute.
Maybe we should put it like, if we do like this, it'll be harder, right?
I think it's perfect. I think it's perfect.
Oh gosh, I can't. This is what the music is going to be playing.
Praise God.
Alright, so we are done with the in-between layering and we're ready for the outside frosting.
Yes, so we have this lovely frosting that we put the little bit of, red coloring in.
A light pink.
Light pink. All right, let's go.
Let's get it.
Be interesting.
So I'm going to use this table. And let's just try it.
Let's see. Try spins so it can be evenly distributed.
Alright. So let's just get one of these.
So we'll also put a link to this. This is basically the bottom of, it just holds a cake in place, so you can, have it, serve it quite nicely.
Have it and serve it.
So cute. Like, what do you
Do you do the sides first?
What do you guys do? Do you guys do the sides first, or you do the top first? Comment below, let us know.
Struggling. So this is
so
our
good.
first time making a cake, mind you.
In a long time. We
In a
haven't
long
done
time.
a cake in like years, but why not do it for you guys?
Right?
So we are slicing some strawberries and we're putting it on top. We're making it a cute little heart. So what you do is you cut it in half. And then from there, you can just slice it. And then we'll make shapes.
So cute. So the strawberry has like a nice little heart shape. And it goes so well with the pink.
Just put it right on top.
Wonderful.
Cute little heart. You can just chop that in the middle. See that cute little heart? Actually, that's not as cute as I would like it. Let's see if we can get a better piece. Ooh, look at that. That's cute. So I'm just gonna make that look a little more heart-like. Ooh. And let's put that on the top of the cake. How cute is that?
Voila! And we are done with this Valentine's Day dessert.
Yes, this is part too. So if you haven't checked the savory episode with the dinner portion, check it out.
Yes.
And this is your sweet dessert.
Yes, and these are just mini cakes with strawberries on top, and it tastes so good. And this could be for you, your significant other,
Yes.
your loved one,
Absolutely.
new babe, you know? So tell us what you think about this dessert.
Yes. Yes, comment below if you have any questions as well, okay?
Bye.